Psychology is the study of mind and behavior. It encompasses the biological influences, social pressures, and environmental factors that affect how people think, act, and feel. Psychology is defined as a science which studies mental processes, experiences, and behavior in different contexts. In doing so, it uses methods of biological and social sciences to obtain data systematically. It makes sense of the data so that it can be organized as knowledge. Mental process. Mental processes are activities of the mind and brain related to cognition. We use mental processes when we think or remember something or solve a problem. However, these mental activities are different from neural activities, though they are mutually overlapping processes. The mind emerges and evolves as our interactions and experiences in this world get dynamically organized in the form of a system which is responsible for the occurrence of various mental processes. Mental processes include reasoning, learning, thinking, problem solving, perception, etc. Experiences. Experiences can be defined as the learning acquired through everyday life situation. I. Experiences are subjective in nature, different for every individual. Tai. We cannot directly observe or know someone's experience. I. Only the experiencing person can be aware or conscious of his/her experiences. Thus, experiences are embedded in our awareness or consciousness. IV. Experiences are influenced by internal and external conditions of the experiences. V. The nature of the experience can only be understood by analyzing a complex set of internal and external conditions. VI. Experiences are important because most of our learning is based on experiences. Behaviors. I. Behaviors are responses or reactions we make or activities we engage in. Example. One can feel the heart pounding before taking an examination. Chi. Some behaviors such as thinking may be simple or complex, short or enduring. Chi. On the other hand, some behaviors can be outwardly seen or sensed and are called overt, for example, laughing. Iviao. All behaviors can be explained on the basis of SR, stimulus-response relations. Any behavior, overt or covert, is associated with or triggered by a stimulus. V. Both stimulus and response can be internal or external. V. The same stimulus can have different responses due to the organism variable. It emphasizes upon an individual's uniqueness and variation that make him different from other. Psychology as a discipline. I. It studies behavior, experience, and mental processes. It seeks to understand and explain how the mind works and how different mental processes result in different behaviors. B. When we observe others, our own point of view or ways of understanding the world influence our interpretations of their behaviors and experiences. IV. Psychologists try to minimize such biases in their explanations of behavior and experience in various ways. V. Some do so by making their analysis scientific and objective. VI. Others seek to explain behavior from the point of view of those experiencing persons because they think that selectivity is a necessary aspect of human experience. Neuroscience and computer science borrow principles continuously from psychology. There are fast-developing brain imaging techniques like MRI, ECG, etc., which make it possible to study brain processes in real time, i.e., when they are actually taking place. Psychology as hybrid science. Psychology is a hybrid science that draws its influence from both natural and social sciences. As a natural science, modern psychology has developed because of the application of the scientific method to study psychological phenomenon. As a physical science, it emphasizes on data that is systematic and can be studied under controlled conditions. T. It is quantitative and requires analysis. IV. It takes influences from both physics and biology and believes in the hypothetico-deductive model, HDM. V. Every or any hypothesis can be accepted or rejected on the basis of factors available. The model suggests that scientific advancement can take place if you have a theory to explain a phenomenon. VI. A hypothesis is a tentative solution to a problem that helps in guiding a research or a theory. VI. Hypothesis has been successfully used for determining many theories related to learning and memory. For example, the way a child has been brought up in his family will shape his personality.